Hi guys, are watching Infinity YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download the uTorrent application, so don't skip the video guys. Follow the steps, what I am doing. Open Google on your browser, and type uTorrent. Now click the website, what I am showing. I will give the link in description. Guys, now scroll down and click Download uTorrent Classic. Now click Download Now, and guys, now it will download automatically. Guys, if this video was useful to you, please subscribe, and just leave a comment as I have subscribed. Guys, now go to Downloads, and open uTorrent. This is installation process, now follow what I am doing. Guys, now your installation process finished, open your uTorrent and enjoy. Guys, if this video was useful to you, please subscribe, and just leave a comment as I have subscribed. If you don't know how to use uTorrent, see my YouTube channel, I had given a video, how to use uTorrent.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van.